A very good morning. My name is Alok Shrivastava and I welcome you once again in 2020 to Network Nuts YouTube channel. And first of all, I would like to say a very happy new year to you and your family, your friends, from all of us here in Network Nuts. So again, guys, I wish you will be learning new skills in 2020. So what we are going to learn, so this is the first video in new year and we are going to destroy something, right? So the only way to learn new thing is that you should destroy the old ones and get new skills, right? As learning is not that important, not that important, no, the I'm sorry, learning is not that difficult. The difficult is forgetting. We refuse to forget, or our brain refuse to forget the things which we had learned. So not going on to the philosophical side, so I'm coming straight away on Terraform. We will be learning a new video on Terraform. So in this video we are going to learn how the Terraform destroy command works and what are the tweaks and the things that we can do. So I will be using a small slide here with me. I've got this slide. So this is the same slides that we use in our trainings, right? So the idea is that we will be learning the Terraform destroy. So we know that we can create the resources by the apply command. So let's move ahead. I will be creating a resource first. So this is my folder, the Terraform directory, and here I have already created a file for you. The name is, and in this I'm going to create two instances. One instance will be named as Hello Terra. I'm not using any security groups and stuff like that. We already know that. And both the first instance will be named as Hello Terra 1 and the second will be as Hello Terra 2. The tags are Web Server 1 and Web Server 2. Right, that's all. It's very simple stuff. So the moment I save and come out here, sorry, I dropped something. Okay, not a problem. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, right. So the moment I save it and I try to run the apply command, obviously it's going to create two instances, right? So I save and come out. I hope you are comfortable with this particular code. There is nothing new in it. Just I'm using the instance AMI attribute, instance type, availability zone. That's all. The key name. So that's the two instances I intend to create. So it's always good to give a Terraform validate to check for any syntax error. So far so good. I can also give plan that what exactly it's going to do it. So it's kind of a dry run. It's not going to execute or build anything. It will just show me what exactly it's going to do if you apply this. Perfect. So it shows me it's going to apply, or it's going to create two instances. First, the one is the Hello Terra 2 and the first instance name is Hello Terra 1. The tags are this. I'm okay with that. So let's just need to press yes, as you know. So I will be using, instead of this, I use apply. So whenever we do apply, what happens? Now take a close look at this folder in this directory. I have got two files. The tfstate file, this is important, guys. So, right, and the timestamp is of the previous year. Just remember this. So the moment I give a Terraform apply command, it's going to read all the TF files here. So I had intentionally renamed the file which we had used in the previous video. So only the check server TF will be applied. So I just click press enter here, and if I had shared my keys and the secret key, everything will be working fine. Perfect. So they are creating that Terraform is creating these two instances. I can confirm those if I open my dashboard, and in the meanwhile I'll go here, just write AWS console. That's good. and I can do a login here. So these things you are already familiar with. I need not to. So I just give my login name, whatever login name you have, and the password, and I specify the password also. I'm not saving it. I go to the EC2, and the chances are that if everything is working fine, which it is, I am seeing 2 resources. Perfect. That's wonderful. So both the instances are running up as expected. Now it's done, it's created right now. But the objective of the video is not in creating the instances. The objective of the video is destroying it. Now if I give a LL here, you will see here the TF file is updated. It is the current date and the time. And if I open this Terraform TF file, it contains the things which I am currently doing. Means the state of my infrastructure is being written here. What Terraform is supposed to manage is being specified in this. So I can see the first instance here, and I should be seeing the second instance also. All the things, just scroll down a bit. So these 2 instances are coming up. Here it is, hello Terra 2. Perfect. So whenever you do a apply, that the TF state file is modified. Perfect. That's not a problem. Ignore these advertisements. Now the point is, I am coming on to the destroy. Whenever I give a Terraform destroy command, it will destroy all the resources which is mentioned in my TF file. So if I give a command here, Terraform destroy, what it's going to do, it's going to destroy both these instances. It's going to actually destroy everything which is mentioned in the TF file. I hope you know it, right? So whatever is mentioned in the TF state file, it's going to destroy that, because Terraform will manage. Okay, listen it very carefully. Terraform is going to manage the resources which are explicitly mentioned in TF state file. So because both the instances are there, so if I give a Terraform destroy, let's do this. It's going to be a slightly lengthier video, but believe me guys, you're going to learn. You will love it. So I give a Terraform destroy. See, all the resources which I had mentioned in my TF file in the current directory, in the current directory, all the TF files, all the resources, all the resources in those TF files will be destroyed. So the moment I press yes here, it's kaboom, it's gone. Everything is gone, which you might not be expecting in a production environment. By mistake also, this someone has given this command in a wrong folder, and it's a kind of a, it can simply make your life a hell, because you have just destroyed everything. So with great power comes great responsibilities, right? So but this is bad. Might be someone is supposed to execute the Terraform destroy command in some other folder, but he has executed in a different folder. It can happen. I hope you will agree. I do a refresh, it's terminated. Hasta la vista baby. There is nothing is coming back again. What to do? That is where we focus. So when we give the Terraform destroy, it's going to destroy everything. I might not want to do it. All right. So if you want to destroy only a specific resource, if you want to like destroy only a specific resource, the best way is that with the Terraform destroy, give you the target and whatever the resource you intend to destroy. So let's do a small practical on this. I'll be creating everything again. Right, it's destroyed. I do a apply again. So now if I do check it, see the timestamp again changed. And if I open the Terraform state file, it's nothing here because you have destroyed everything. Please try to make a relationship between the Terraform apply, your TF file and your TF state file. This is important. The moment I give destroy, it's everything is removed. So Terraform now knows that I've got nothing to manage. Wow, I'm free. That's great. Not great because I've just lost my infrastructure. Let me give apply again. Now if I give a apply again, it's going to again build those. Yeah, just do a yes here and we'll wait for the magic to be there. Right. So just wait for a while. So guys, I would be love to see what are your plans for 2020. What is the new skill you intend to learn or you're planning to learn in 2020? It will be great if you can write it in the comments section of this video. Now I go back here, I do a refresh. It's available. Perfect. Makes sense. Now, the moment I apply it, the Terraform I need to go back and see the Terraform TF file, the state file. If you remember, I'll just scrolling up, wanted to show you something. The size, obviously the size will be more. It has got my infrastructure in it, right? So now the Terraform will actually refer this file that what I need to manage. So both the instances come up here. Now let's say that web server 1 is very important for you. So you don't want to destroy web server 1, but you wanted to destroy web server 2. But the point is that if you give Terraform destroy command, it's going to delete everything. Instead of this, there is an option there, wonderful option, Terraform destroy, then the target and the resource name which you intend to delete, which you intend to destroy. So in my case, I intend to destroy web server 1, right? So if I open this on my file, so this is say I intend to destroy the 2. So it is AWS instance dot hello hyphen terra 2, right? That's the name. So I will be quitting it and if I show you here, they are all running perfectly fine. Now I go back here and I give the command Terraform destroy. So that's one option, target, and then say AWS underscore instance dot hello hyphen terra 2. Are you getting it? So this should be, let me open another tab and I will be trying to make you more comfortable. So this is the name, AWS instance dot and then hello hyphen terra 2. That's how the naming works. So this is what I intend to delete. So this command is going to delete not all the resources, only the resource which I had mentioned explicitly, right? So let me see what is gone wrong. Hyphen target and then I specify this. So it is, I think web server 2 is the name, not the hello terra. Let me check what's the name. It is web server 2, the tag. So let me try this, web server 2. Oh, what happened? Let me see. What is this? Okay, let's see. Terraform destroy, I give target. Is my spelling right? Destroy. Oh, spelling is wrong. See, sometimes you do stupid things. So I give destroy. Perfect. It works. So this is going to destroy only a specific instance, not everything. I just need to give yes here. So one resource will be deleted, not everything. See here, it's only destroying the 2. So in this way, if you intend to delete only a particular resource from your Terraform infrastructure, you can use this. Not interested in Priyanka Chopra, just ignore her. Right, so this is doing the job and I should be able to cross check it here. It's gone. Web server 2 is gone. Perfect. That makes sense. It is being destroyed. Right. Now, if I again refer the TF file, it contains only one instance, Terra1. There is no Terra2. So if I search for the word hello, that's it. I don't have any other instance. So that's the only instance which it is managing. Makes sense. Now I'll do apply again. So now you have learned the first thing, that from a lot of resources, if you intend to delete only a particular resource, give destroy target and the name of the resource. I'll do apply again. Terraform apply. So the resources will be created again. I've done no changes here. So only one instance will be added. One to add. Perfect, because there is nothing I have modified in Hello Terra 1. So let's create it. Now I will do a reverse of it. Let's suppose from you have got you have got a lot of resources which you have created, and from all those resources, I'll go back to my slide. So this is, I hope I'm able to clear this. Second is, in case you don't want to destroy a specific resource, suppose you have got tens and hundreds of resources, you don't want to destroy a specific resource, rest all you wanted to destroy. Now it is reverse of what we had done previously. So the easiest way of doing is that remove that resource from the state file. That's it, because we know Terraform will manage only the resources which are mentioned in the state file. So if I remove any particular resource from the state file using the command Terraform state remove, that means that resource will not be managed. That means items removed from the state file are no longer managed by Terraform. So if I have got 3 resources and I remove one resource from the state file and then I give the destroy command, then that resource which was removed from the state file will not be removed, because Terraform knows nothing about it, right? So let's check it. I can make it more let's see if it is being created here. I do a refresh. Perfect, it's getting created. Right, perfect. So I will be creating, let me create one more resource for you. That will be good. So it's taking some time here. I was not expecting this much of time. Come on. Finish it up fast. So you can anytime blame it on internet. That's not a problem. That's the best thing. Right. So let's create it. Let's wait for it to finish, but it's getting too long. I'm not expecting this much. I hope my internet connectivity and everything is right. Otherwise I will lose a lot of things. Initializing is done, pending. Excuse me. Okay, so guys, how was your new year party? If you wish to share it in the comments. I would love to hear. Mine was, nothing happened, nothing exciting there. Yeah, Terraform has destroyed all my plans. Someone has like the god has given the command Terraform destroy -target Alok Srivastava, dash, boom. So my plans are being destroyed. That's a good thing. Not a good thing actually. So it's taking a while. Let me go back. So in the meanwhile, I'll try to check it. This one. So if I give a Terraform state file, now both the resources should be there. Let's check it with a state file. This is hello1, and the other one is still managing. So you need to wait for a while. This will be backed up and the new file will be created. So why it's taking that much of time? I don't know. I don't know. But we have no other option. Just we need to wait, and then it's lock. So the lock is there, that's why it's not being created, because it's already creating. So the lock file will be created. We are not directly attached to that. I'm just waiting for this to finish. This is taking a hell lot of time. Okay, come on. Okay, like clicking on refresh will not help, believe me. So okay, in the meanwhile, let me explain you other things. So this is how you can remove. So any resource, okay, I'm repeating myself again, any resource which you have removed from the state file where is no longer managed by Terraform, and when you give the Terraform destroy, this resource will be spared. This will continue running on the AWS because Terraform is not able to see it, because the Terraform refers the state file, right? That's another way of doing it. So come on, please. I don't like this. Is my internet working? Let's check networknuts.net. Yup, it is working. Okay, the courses are coming up, everything is coming up, perfect. Seems good to me. Focus on Ansible, guys. Focus on DevOps. OpenStack, OpenShift, they are the keys for telcos. I'm just, please, 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 I'm praying God, finish it, please. It's still creating. It is really long. I had never seen this much of time just for creating an instance. And my everything is logged. Everything is logged here. Yeah, this is the last time that it was modified. The current time is 12:10. No problem. Just so okay, these are the like two ways of managing it, but might be someone will just give the destroy command, right? He forget to give the state remove command. He forget to specify a specific target. Your junior or someone has just given this Terraform destroy command, this beautiful command, and you have just lost everything. So guys, the permanent way, it's not a permanent way, right? It is, you are doing it from the command line. The permanent way of making sure that a resource should not be deleted even accidentally or intentionally when someone gives the Terraform destroy is to use the lifecycle block. That is beautiful thing. So all you have to do is that whatever your resource that you have created, just write a lifecycle block. That's it. Lifecycle prevent destroy true. So this is the permanent way of making sure that this particular resource will not be deleted even if you specify Terraform destroy command without any options. You had forgotten to remove it from the state file. If this code is there for the resource, that resource will not be destroyed even when someone gives Terraform destroy. So this is the last tip which I intend to share, provided this work. This is not working. Okay, not a problem. So I'll just show it to you. Will not stretch this video long. So what I do, I simply go to any resource and specify this. So suppose I go to check server, say I don't want this web server 1 to be destroyed. This is very important for me, right? So what I do, I go here anywhere in this block, just give a life cycle, right? Write the life cycle block, just write prevent destroy. I always, sometimes, not always, give the spelling wrong, which is not a good thing, right? Just give Terraform in so any resource which has got this life cycle hook, will be spared from removing even when you give the Terraform destroy. That is what I wanted to share. So I will simply save and come out from here. That's, let me see, if it's still not working, that's not a problem, I don't mind. So if I give here, let me show this, I'm not waiting for that. Okay, the second option was, if you remember, the Terraform state remove, right? So if I do a Terraform state remove and whatever my web server name is, say AWS underscore instance dot hello Terra1. So if I remove it from the state file, that also does the same thing. If someone destroys, if someone gives the Terraform destroy command, this particular resource will be spared. But the best ways, the permanent ways, which I had explained to you, is using the lifecycle hook. Just write this. So now if I give a Terraform destroy, I don't care about the Terraform state file now. So if I give a Terraform destroy command, let's check it out. What happens? Okay, there's a lock here. I have to wait. This is, I don't like this. I don't know, something is wrong here. It's not working somehow. So the lock file is there. Okay, even the Amazon want us to. Okay, now this is done. See, 12:13, it is done. So if I show you the state file, it should contain the web server 2 also, right? Here it is, because the new instance is created and the entry is in here now. So if it is done, that's good, I'm happy, right? So it is initializing, just ignore it. I don't know what is wrong here. I click here, not a problem. So if I, one way of making sure that the Terraform web server 1 resource is not deleted is I can give a Terraform state remove, right? And then I give my AWS underscore instance dot hello Terra1, like this. So this particular thing will be removed from the state file, right? And whenever you do something like this, Terraform does what? It takes the backup of the original file. It takes the backup of the original file. So if I show it to you, say if I give Terraform state remove AWS underscore instance dot hello Terra1, right? So if you see, the size has changed, it's half, and it has created a backup file, the current timestamp. This contains the actual configurations. So if I open the Terraform state file, it doesn't has the hello Terra1. See here, it's starting with hello Terra2. So any resource which the Terraform doesn't find in the state file, that means it is out of the bound of Terraform and Terraform is not going to manage it. So I'll copy it again. Now if I remove, if I give the Terraform destroy command, it's only going to destroy that particular resource. I hope you got it. Now I'll copy it again. I'll copy the Terraform state, whatever the name is, one file to Terraform state file. I'll copy it again, so the original files come back. And I had just specified the lifecycle hook. So I have not removed it. I just simply give Terraform destroy. That's all. Now see what happens. Right, it is refreshing the states, not a problem. So this instance cannot be destroyed, right? See here, hello Terra1. You will simply give this. So now you have to specify, that means this particular, anyone who is trying to do this will get an error that there is a prevention there, you cannot destroy this. So he has to explicitly use the hyphen target and then specify the resources which they intend to delete. So this is how you can be sure that in your infrastructure, critical or important resources shall not be deleted. So you learn 3 ways. I'll come again. The permanent ways, lifecycle hook. Another way is remove the resource which you don't want to be destroyed from the state file. The easiest way is specify the resource which you want to destroy explicitly by using the target. So that's all, guys. I will make sure that we will see each other more often in 2020. Till then, enjoy Terraform, enjoy DevOps, take care, keep learning new things, guys. Godspeed. Bye bye.